Hello, my name is Ineza and I am an AI automation specialist. I run a company called Novelty AI that helps online businesses integrate AI into their systems so that they can generate consistent revenue and sales throughout the month. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can implement AI into your business from today to generate the same sort of results that I got for my previous clients. So let's get into it. So before I tell you those AI solutions, let's just see what I do. So on LinkedIn, I keep posting about my journey, about the results that I've gotten for my clients, about the solutions that I keep building. And similarly, I also have a YouTube channel called AI with Uneza, where I document my entire processes and journey of building these AI solutions. So if you want to learn something new and you want to learn probably no-code solutions or how to build AI agents, you could go to my YouTube channel and I have around quite a lot of tutorials going on. I have an hour-long tutorial of building AI agents and a lot of tutorials on make.com as well. So who is this video for exactly? This video is for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses and small to medium-sized marketing agencies. Apart from that, also online entrepreneurs. Anyone basically who has an online business can benefit from these AI solutions. Now, what would these solutions provide you? They will generate you consistent revenue. They will obviously help you automate tedious tasks. They will help you generate consistent leads, which is obviously one of the most common issues that most businesses face. And these solutions will help you save time and money. So, what are the three most common problems that any online business faces? Obviously, inconsistent leads, that's the biggest, most obvious one. There's a lot of inefficient customer support. Why did I put it into the top three? I'm going to tell you when I show you the solution to this. And other than that, the internal systems take up too much time, which is why the business owner or people inside of the business aren't able to focus on the higher ROI tasks. So, what are the solutions to all of these problems? Let's get into the Miro board that I created to help you explain what these solutions can do. The first thing that we're going to talk about is AI customer support. We're going to talk about leads in a bit. So, why did I consider this as one of the topmost issues in a business? So, research has shown that if you provide a response to a customer reaching out to you within the first 5 minutes, the chances of that person booking a call with you increases 21 times. So, I mean, anyone in their right mind wouldn't want to miss out on that chance, right? But you can't possibly be available on your phone or on your email 24/7. So, how do you solve this problem? You obviously implement an AI customer support agent. These can be implemented on any social media platform. They can also be implemented as a chat widget on your website, on your emails, on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Slack, literally anywhere. So what this does is a client shows interest, has a query, an email or a message is received. If you do not have the email message responder, you will obviously be responding to the person after a few hours, or sometimes businesses even take days to reply to that customer. Ultimately, a loss in interest, the customer doesn't feel satisfied, the conversion rate drops, there are a lot of missed opportunities, chances of a human error, you have a competitive disadvantage, and inefficient follow-ups leading to lost revenue. But if you do have an AI customer support agent, you will be able to provide that customer with an instant personalized reply within the first 1 to 2 minutes. What this does is, now these numbers are research based, I just didn't make these up. So 10 to 15% increase in chance of conversion, which is amazing. Other than that, you build a trust with that person, you have an advantage over other competitors, you can give them efficient personalized follow-ups. These customer agents obviously are available 24/7, 365, and can hold multiple conversations simultaneously, so they're scalable. You can collect data, you can collect lead information, emails, phone numbers, names, all of that. And obviously this helps you with saving costs as well, because you wouldn't have to keep hiring more virtual assistants or customer support agents to cater to customer queries basically. Another important thing to understand is that the conversations these AI agents have are very humanly. A normal person cannot tell if this is a robot. These can also analyze sentiments. So if a person is coming up to you and showing you frustration, or they're annoyed by a previous agent or something like that, this agent will be able to acknowledge that emotion and then provide a solution. This is a one-time setup. So if this agent is integrated into your emails, you can check the email before it's sent out, so you can basically make a few changes if you want it to be more personalized, or if it's an important customer and you don't want AI to reply to that, you could just change the email a bit and then send it over. And obviously these AI agents are trained on your company data and they know everything about your business, so they can cater up to 80% of customer queries and reduce your customer support tickets to 80%. So let's talk numbers, because that is why we're here, right? We want to see if this really makes us money. So let's talk about the possible revenue, and these are results that have been achieved in real life. So this is a research-based number. Again, an average virtual assistant in the US charges around $2,000 to $3,000 per month for the job that they do. So if you implement an AI system into your business that caters to customer queries, you would be able to save around $10,000 to $20,000 per year, which is insane. And apart from that, the fact that you will be responding to customers within the first 2 to 3 minutes of them reaching out to you will automatically increase your conversion rate to 10 to 15%. So that is additional revenue that you're getting out of this AI agent. So that is all that we have about the AI customer support agents. This is just a research that a basic research that I had on Perplexity that's talking about the average salary, just so you know that these are not numbers that I made up. So let's move on to our next AI solution. Now, I know before you are able to qualify and nurture leads, there should be a way to generate leads. I will be talking about that shortly, so stick on to this video. So let's talk about lead qualification and nurturing. So usually what happens is a lead comes in and a sales representative asks them questions back and forth, checking to see if they are the right client or the right prospect for the product or whatever offer you have. So the sales team shouldn't be doing that. Their job is to make sales. Their job is to convert people into paying customers. They shouldn't be wasting time qualifying and also nurturing leads. So what is the solution? You integrate an AI lead qualification or nurturing system into your business that will basically act like an AI salesperson that will be asking questions back and forth 24/7, 365 again. Every time a lead comes in, the questions will be asked, the data will be gathered and sent over to your Slack or over to your email or over to whatever person is in charge of making sales. So this way, the leads will already be categorized to qualified or unqualified, or maybe given a number out of 10, like this lead is qualified for a number around 7 out of 10. So the salesperson would already know the details of that particular prospect and would know exactly what to say on call for them to convert to a paying customer and whatever other processes of sales that you have in your business. So the way that this works is a lead comes in. Obviously, you are notified through email or a message. If you are doing your nurturing and qualification through the conventional way, obviously you will need manual labor for that, which is time consuming. You have limited capacity. You might have an inconsistent process of following up. You will give out delayed responses. You will have lack of insights. That is why you won't be able to perform the best on your sales call, hence a loss in revenue. In turn, if you have a lead nurture AI agent, this AI agent will be asking questions from the lead, qualifying it, also nurturing the lead, sending them documents, sending them videos, sending them insights on your business so that they keep in touch, they're not lost, their interest is not lost. They also will be sending out personalized emails and email workflows and content recommendation, all automated so that the lead stays in touch with you and doesn't forget about you. So what happens? there is a 40 to 50% reduction on lead qualification time. So that means all of that time is put into making sales. There's a 20 to 30% increase in conversion rates. Obviously, since you're keeping in touch with your lead, you have gathered the right information and you know everything about their business, you will be able to make that, the chances of you making that sale really increases. So the conversion rate is up to 20 to 30% with these agents. The sales team doesn't have to focus on these repetitive tasks. It's a scalable solution. You can collect data. It follows a very strict criteria of qualifying and nurturing leads. Helps you save costs so that you don't have to hire more people to nurture and engage those leads, hence increasing revenue. Another thing that's important to know is these AI lead qualification and lead nurture agents will be having humanly conversations, so the lead will feel in touch with your business, basically, since they will feel like they're being taken care of. Again, they can analyze sentiments, they're trained on company data, and they can forward qualified leads depending on whatever criteria you set. You need to set a qualified or an unqualified lead data, or you want to set a numbering criteria. It's up to you. Now let's talk money. So what does this mean in terms of the dollars that it's going to get us? The possible revenue that is seen with these AI lead qualification and nurture systems would be that a sales rep in the US charges around $4,000 to $9,000 per month, research-based number again. So if you have a lead qualification nurture AI agent, you could save up to 20 to 70%, $20,000 to $70,000 per year. And additional revenue obviously is insane, uncalculated, as the sales person will only focus on qualified leads and will be much more equipped to make those sales. Now let's quickly talk about the one thing that all of you have been waiting for, is how to generate leads using artificial intelligence. I will not be showing a flowchart like this with all of the details of how you can do that, because I would want to make a dedicated video for that particular process, since it's a much more extensive and a much more important topic, which I would want all of you to have your 100% attention on. But to just verbally explain how that is possible is just the way that I showed you AI-based, text-based customer support agents. We can build AI-based voice agents. Now what this does is, most of the businesses out there have huge databases of possible prospects that they want to reach out to, but obviously their salesperson is not able to reach out to all of them, and the max calls that they'll be able to make is maybe 100 calls per day. So there's a lot of business and a lot of money that businesses are leaving on the table. So what these AI voice callers do is reach out to your ideal customer profile, talk like the best possible salesperson on earth, and try to convert them into paying customers. So this AI voice agent will basically be doing sales calls and outbound cold calls for you. We can provide this AI voice agent a lot of data based on a lot of AI softwares that we have out there to collect leads. For example, we could use Apollo to generate leads, we could use smartlead.io, and a lot of other ways that we can create a database and then provide that database over to this AI voice caller. And this AI voice caller will then be reaching out to those people via phone and talking to them about their business, trying to understand the pain points that business might have, and then providing them with optimized, personalized solutions so that they could hop on a call with the owner or a salesperson, or maybe even just be ready to give you their money right on that call, because these AI sales agents are amazing. I will be putting out demos of those, and I will be showing you how these AI agents sound and how they work, so you will get a better idea of that. That is why I want to dedicate a completely different video and a completely different playlist for that. So I would recommend you guys wait for that to be out to understand how AI can generate leads for your business. Anyways, let's talk about the next AI solution for your business that can help you save time and money and generate revenue. So every company has a CRM, right? And usually one of the business owners or the virtual assistant, and mostly in businesses, the salesperson is responsible for updating that CRM and just, making sure that every lead is in the right place in the funnel and is being followed up on. So what if you could have automated solutions for that as well? So every time a lead is coming in, the CRM automatically triggers an AI workflow that sends out personalized emails and follow-ups to that lead. And once that lead has a meeting with your salesperson and the lead goes down the funnel, another automation is triggered where they could, be followed up with a different sequence of emails and a lot of things that you can do. I hope you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So this way, your sales team wouldn't have to put in all of their focus and time trying to see what part of the funnel a lead is in, and okay, now I want to send this person out an email, okay, now I want to send this person out a link to my Calendly, and all of those tedious processes. The only thing that they would want to focus on is making the sale. So these automations can help automate your CRM and help you follow up with your leads, keep them intact, and basically organize your entire CM in an automated proper way. So the way that this happens is, this is a rough example, obviously, just for the purpose of this demo. The sales process is automated in a way that a new lead comes in and books a call. If you do not have an auto email or message responder, which will also be updating your CRM, you will keep manually updating the CRM. That will reduce the sales productivity because you will be focused on updating the CRM. The conversion rates in that case would decrease. You will have a lot of missed opportunities. There would be chances of human errors, and you will have low quality data in your CRM, hence causing a loss in revenue. Similarly, if your CRM is updated automatically and personalized emails are sent to your lead and personalized proposals are sent, your entire onboarding process is automated with just one click. All of these things can happen with just one click. Keep that in mind. What happens then? There's a 10 to 15% chance of conversion. There's a trust because you're sending out these documents and all of these things really fast, so the person knows that they're interested in you, and this company is the right place to be. They have the right tech in place, they have the right systems in place. You will have efficient follow-ups. This entire process will be scalable. The customer's experience will be enhanced, and this will auto-assign tasks. Also will help you with cost savings, hence increased revenue. So the updates that will happen within your CRM will be in real time. You can obviously again review emails that are being sent out, and this is a one-time setup, and you just will have to iterate depending on any changes that you're making in your sales process. What does this look like in terms of money? It's the same as the one that we talked previously. A sales rep would usually charge around this amount, so you could save up to $20,000 to $70,000 a year with these automations in place, and additional revenue is uncalculated since your conversion rate is increasing and your sales team is focusing on making the sales. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about, which is a very, very high ROI use case, a very high ROI automation, although a lot of people don't put in as much attention into it, is content creation and publishing automations. So these are workflows that will help you generate content and then post them onto all of your social media places and repurpose a single piece of content for all of your different social media channels. For example, you wake up one day, you read an article and you find it really interesting and you feel like you need to write some sort of content for your business regarding this article. You would just put in a link of this article into our content generation automation. And what this automation would trigger is create content for all of your social media posts and maybe save those pieces of contents onto an Airtable or a Google Sheet. You can review those pieces of contents and hit OK or like reviewed or acknowledged. And once you do that, this AI automation will automatically post on all of your social media channels. So all you had to do was give this automation the right piece of content so that it could use that to generate posts for all of your social media channels, whether it's Twitter, it's Instagram, it's LinkedIn, all of that. It can generate text-based content, it can generate pictures, it can generate carousels, and even videos. So let's talk about how this is going to look like. You need to upload content on your LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, or X. If you don't have the AI content generation system, you will obviously either hire a content generation team or create this content yourself, and then also manually upload it on all of these channels. So that would be time consuming. You couldn't scale. You will have an inconsistent branding. You will have to repurpose manually, which is obviously another time taking task, hence a loss in revenue. So content is really important to generate leads, by the way. It's one of the best ways to generate inbound leads. So, having a system that could automatically create content for your business every single day would really help you generate leads and hence money, obviously. So let's suppose you have an AI content generator or a publishing system. This will have a return on investment of 20 to 30% because you are consistently generating high quality content. So you're generating more leads. This is reducing the time that you take to create content. It's saving you time. There's a 15 to 25% increase in social media engagement, meaning more leads. This will help you save costs since you wouldn't have to hire an entire sales team. I'm all about sales today. You wouldn't have to hire a content generation team. You would still want one to keep a check on what is being posted, but it wouldn't have to work 8 hours a day for you to be able to create consistent content. And you can obviously auto repurpose this content. This is a scalable system, and you will feel less burnout because creating content is quite mentally draining. I can understand because I've been making YouTube videos and LinkedIn content, so it does get quite overwhelming sometimes. Hence, increase in revenue. So another thing that you would want to know about these systems these are very creative. They can auto-publish. You can review the content before it's being published, and you can also schedule the content for next days. If you have more than one articles or you have more than one resources that you want to use to put out that content, you could schedule that content as well. A content creation team would usually charge around $4,000 to $5,000 a month, and that would mean you could save around $50,000 a year with this AI automation system. So these are things that majority of the online businesses could implement from today onwards and generate sales, generate leads, save money, save time, and obviously give a boost to their business while also not falling behind on this AI tech race. And other than that, I also have a few solutions for e-commerce store owners. So if you're an e-commerce store owner looking at this, I will just quickly go through what this solution would look like for you. We have product recommendation and order tracking automation, so you wouldn't have to manually recommend products and track orders for your customer, because we'll have these AI customer support agents that will also be capable of recommending products and tracking track orders. And then we also have a content creation publishing system for e-commerce stores. It works a little differently for them because they are more product based than service based, but it works around the same concept. So I hope that this video helped you understand how AI can literally help you change the way that your business looks and helps you be equipped with the knowledge that you need to start integrating artificial intelligence into your business. Anyone can do it. I want to show you that your business can be turned upside down using AI. I want to show you that it is possible. I want to show you that this is not only for the tech giants. Any business, any online business can implement AI from today and start seeing results. So if you want to... Alright, I hope to see you on the other side. Fill out that form, take that leap of faith, and let's see you during the AI audit for your business. It's completely for free and you got nothing to lose. So you have everything to gain. Try it out and see how AI can help your business. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.